video you're watching now, if you follow me carefully, I'm going to teach you step by step how to do videos like this. It's very simple, very easy, all with AI.
Animal dance, we'll move and groove as one. Wiggle like a worm, flap your wings like a bird, jump like
I'm going to walk you through how to get everything.
monkey, spin like a bear.
This kit animation video was done using AI, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to make videos like this. This video you are watching right now is Animal Dance by CocoMelon with over 400 million views. So let's check the statistics of this video and see what he is earning from just this video. So I will copy this name, that is the channel name, then I will go to this website Social Blade, and then we search for CocoMelon. These are his videos, so we'll go down and search for Animal Song by CocoMelon. So this is one of them, Animal Song by CocoMelon. So if you look at this point here, you will see that just this video have generated 1.32 million subscribers and over 400 million views. And then if you go down here, you will see the monthly estimated earnings here, that is $2,600 to $42K. So let's assume that this video is generating just $2,600 per month. Isn't that big enough to settle your boss wahala? So if you are new to my channel, I am Emmanuel EO, and in today's video I am going to teach you step by step how to make animation videos like this. And so if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of the community. So right now let's dive straight into the video. So in order to make videos like this, what we are going to do is we are going to head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate animal song lyrics for us. So to do that, we'll head over to our ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate animal dance song lyrics for me. So you can see it just generated the song lyrics. So I will copy the song lyrics. So I've just copied the song lyrics, and then I will head over to this website Mureka.ai. So I'm going to paste my lyrics over here, and then the title of my lyrics, I'm going to copy it also, and I'm going to copy this title of my lyrics and then paste it over here. So this is the title of my lyrics, and then in order to get the tone that we want, because we are working on kids animation video, so we want kids sounds. So in order to do that, we will go to this place, description, and then but before then, one thing I love about this website is that if you are a premium user, you can actually clone a sound of a particular video, just like this just like this CocoMelon sound. This particular one, we can copy the link here and then use it, though we are not going there because I know you may not have the money to pay. So what we are going to do now is to use our own, try to maneuver things on our own. So what you are going to do by default, this description by default is going to be like this. So you click on this point, you click on it, then it will turn on, and then you click again, this place will be blank, nothing will be here. So you try on your own to play around this. These are genres. So you play around them, and this is mood, this is vocal. So play around it to see what it will give to you. So you can just put this and this and then this, and then you click done, so you can see it. So then the next thing to do is to click on create. So we'll just click on create, and then okay, it says that I don't have enough credit because I've used the credit I have already, but don't worry, I already generated audio for this particular video we want to make. So I will also embed the link of this website in the description below, so that you will use the link to get your free credit. So we are going to head over now to this website, because let's assume we already generated our audio. The next thing to do is to generate the video you are going to use for it. So we'll head over to this website and insert our prompt, and then use it to generate our videos.
A few moments later.
So our video is done generating. The next step now is to go to our editing app, and I'm using CapCut. So I'm on create project for new projects. This is CapCut. So the next thing to do is to go to this point, that is import, to import your videos. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to import only 3 or 4 videos. We are not doing everything now, because if you want to do everything, the video will be too long, but I just want to make it short. So I'm going to import these 4 clips. It's importing. So I will go ahead also to import my audio. So this is the audio I want to use. I'll click it. All right, so I will just click on this point to add this video to this tray. Okay, so I will drag the other videos down to this point. You can see it. If you are using phone, don't worry, I have the phone version of this tutorial, but so here we have arranged our videos the way they should, and then the next thing is to to drag in your audio. So I'm going to drag this audio down to this point. How easy is this? So let's play our song and see. So this is just how it works. But if you look at this point now, you will see that this video might, or in fact this video will not be enough to play the whole song. So what we are going to do to extend it a little more is to click on each of the videos, then click on speed and reduce this speed. So when you reduce it, it's going to extend it more of this video. You can see it. You can do the same thing for all of them to extend the time. And then apart from this, there is nothing more. This is just how to do it. But then if you know you cannot generate prompts, or you cannot generate quality prompts that will serve the purpose of your video, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section on how to get 100 quality prompts you can use to create your channel. If you want me to hold you by the hand and teach you step by step how to do this until you are perfect, click on the link in the description below, and all of these have been made available with ease. So this is how to do it. Remember, I am Emmanuel EO. If you find value in this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think in the comment section. If there is any other video you want me to make, also drop it in the comment section, and I will do well to answer you. So thank you for sticking around, and I will see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.